Million. We are here to hit you once again with the truth. You know, we want to talk about the Yahoo boys and the Fulani X-Men. These terrorists that is killing people every day in Nigeria. But before we start, I want to tell APC. If you are APC member watching me, I want to tell you something. The thunder that will strike you APC people, that will strike the President Buhari, that will strike all these APC followers and these APC senators, all these corrupt senators, the thunder that will strike you people is on its way. Nemesis must definitely catch up with you people soon. PDP destroyed this country. PDP was corrupt. That is the reason why we voted them out. We said, you people said you can turn things around. You can make a change. You can do what PDP couldn't do. But you are in power now. You are in power now. Things are even more worse. Cost of living is getting higher every day. And what we are getting from you people is lies and propaganda. You push blame. Every time you push blame, you push blame. People were suffering. People were stealing money left and right under PDP. You guys said, you are the solution to Nigerian problem. That what the masses got to do for them to have constant life, to have a job, to have good schools, for things to be better, is just to kick PDP out. And we did. What do we get in return? It is total blackout. It is killings. It is killings every day. And the incompetent Buhari, whenever he is sick, he go to UK, go to America to go and receive treatment, receive checkup. Is when the stupid of a papa's son is sick, they go to Germany. But the poor man is sick and die in Nigeria. All their children, they school in America, school in the UK. But the poor masses who elected them, who you claim elected you, their children are selling pure water on the roadside. And you think God will just keep quiet like that. Nemesis will catch up with you people. And all this APC God-forsaken stupid youth who clapping for this idiot in power. The same thing with you people. Well, I'm here to talk about the Yahoo boys, because every day they want to kill Yahoo boys. When you see phone with them, kill Yahoo boys. You see laptop with them, fire, raid their house, pursue them, arrest them, beat them. Yahoo boys steal from a greedy Oyibo. Because we have different kinds of Yahoo boys, so not the one that believe in rituals, human rituals, killing people, killing young girls for money. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about the Yahoo guys. The one that is, playing Oyibo, deceiving Oyibo, siphoning money, collecting from Oyibo. That is the kind of Yahoo boys I'm talking about. And the Fulani X-Men who kill people state to state, who massacre people, who behead people, who slaughter people, who slaughter priests, who kill Christians in Nigeria. Which one commit more crime? That is the question I want to ask. We have Yahoo boys. You kill them. You fight them. What did they do? They don't steal from Nigerian government. You are the one. We have politicians who steal billions. Nobody arrests them. Police don't arrest them. But they arrest Yahoo boy. For what? For what? Because he steal from Oyibo. Why did that? Did you think if it is Hausa youth that is doing this Yahoo boy, these people, this government will be arresting them like this? Because they think that the people that is doing this Yahoo boy, they are from the south. They are from the south. So kill them. Do we have youth, Fulani youth now that is killing people in the north? Why nobody arresting them? These are the second class and first class citizens we are talking about. These are the reason we said Nigeria is a zoo and Nigeria must fall. If case not, Nigeria will fall. These are the truth. Because every day what you hear when you are with your laptop, even when I went to Nigeria, I think last year, I was with my phone. Soldier was on the way. The person were telling me there's a soldier off your phone. I said, what? I'm receiving call. He said, no. Receiving call. I should off my phone because soldier is stopping our car. I should stop calling. Making call. That is, they said, we are in Nigeria. Oh. You are not in Europe. Oh. You are in Nigeria. Nigeria is a zoo. Nigeria is a zoo. Let nobody dispute that. Look at how they are killing people every day. There is no day that pass people. They don't kill people. They don't butcher people in Nigeria. You want to arrest Yahoo boss for what? Yahoo boss did not steal all the budget. The stupid president, the reading all this budget they are reading every year. The budget don't favor poor people. They are not stealing from Nigeria treasury. We are looking for 27 billion. Baru Gate, NPC contract. Is it Yahoo boy that stole that money? It is Barrow and Buhari. Do nobody arrest criminals in government? This politician that is stealing billions of money. And you are troubling every day, harassing the Yahoo boy. Harassing Yahoo boy for what? They call them that stupid SARS. Yahoo boy and the SARS that is arrested them. Which one look more like criminal? Which one look more like criminal? It's just operation steal from who they steal. All this money you are getting from Yahoo boys, you arrest them so that they can pay themselves. Tell me where the money is going. It is the same government that is sitting the money. You want to hear they are this Yahoo boys, they are spoiling the country image. Yahoo boy and Fulani Esme, which one is spoiling the country image? The thunder that was going to strike this government, this APC government, is doing press up. The message will catch up with these APC people because there is no truth in them. There's no integrity. They call them Mr. Integrity. Integrity, my foot. You call Buhari Mr. Integrity? The man who openly said that Abacha is not corrupt. Abacha is not corrupt because he worked under Abacha. When he was overthrown in 1983, it was Abacha who saved him and gave Abacha who put him in a position for him so that he can steal money with his family. That's why he will never condemn Abacha. He will never condemn Abacha. He openly said that Abacha is not corrupt. Abacha was good. Okay, fine. If Abacha was good, and you know the one receiving money, Swiss government, American government, they are returning money. Abacha lose their return. You have received 2 times from Swiss government. Billions of money, the one Abacha kept in their country. From America, the same president is telling us Abacha is not corrupt. You said Abacha build road and hospital. Then, when you are sick, why you don't go to Abacha hospital? Why did you go to UK if really Abacha build any hospital? You would have gone to that hospital. The same thing you did in Edo State. You and that criminal, Osomole. The money he built university in Iyamo, his own village, with Edo State money now. With Edo State money, before he said university belongs to Edo State. Now they said he's the one that owns it. We are watching. That is why he fought to Tane to make sure he opposed Obaseki and us. He knows if opposition take over, he will vomit those billions. Those billions he looted from Edo State Treasury. That was the reason they rigged that 2016 governorship election in Edo State. We know. That university belongs to Osomole now, but don't worry. Time will come, all of you will vomit this money you are stealing. This is what happened. Buhari and Osomole opened 2 years ago. They opened hospital in Nigeria. In Edo State, they call it European Standard Hospital. Don't tell inside. When you launch or whatever, when you open hospital, when you invite president to come and launch something, it means that something will start functioning immediately. It means the hospital will start functioning immediately. 2 years, nothing inside, no bed, nothing inside. Lizard and War Gecko is sleeping the building now. This is the kind of APC government you are talking about. Go and look at this former governor, Uzokalu, talking nonsense. Talking nonsense. When I was in we used to kill people. When I was in Toso Party, you used to people. By now, a government, a country where you might be live, a country that have government, they will arrest Uzokalu to come and tell the nation how they kill people when he was in other party. He should be telling Nigeria, not just to say it and go home. No, he will be interrogated. You and who kill people? How did you kill people? That's a country. A former governor in a country like France, Germany, Italy cannot just come out and say, in my party will kill people. He will be arrested. Come and tell people how you kill people in your party. Even though it's not your party, it's the party you belong to before. You have to tell the nation how you do it. Because Nigeria is a zoo. Every time kill Yahoo boy. Killing Yahoo boy for what? Arresting Yahoo boy for what? Let them. Oh, you think you are the only one born to enjoy these good things in life? You are the only one born to enjoy good things in life. Poor man children must die. Let them use whatever way they have to make money, survive. What important? Don't rob people. Don't kill people. Don't do human sacrifice. Oyibo that is giving them money is Oyibo not greedy. Which one is making the image of the country? Is it not your brother, the Fulani Esme, who you cannot arrest, who kill people at will? They just kill people and go. Which one is destroying the image of Buhari himself? He is the one that Buhari will go out and be talking nonsense. Is it not part of destroying the image of the country? Demarketing the country, saying the youth are lazy. Youth are this, youth are the youth waiting for government to come and be paying them. Whereas your children, they know never work. Yusuf never work. But he has the money to buy billions of properties. Forget it. Leave the youth alone. Leave your boys alone. Your boys is not the problem. What is the problem? Thank you.